siya.
Si Ding Wei.
Gong Xiaobin.
Gong Xiaobin, ito kilala natin to.
Who will play power forward for this team. At saka si Lee.
12 seconds on the shot clock. Bigla pumukol si Lee Xiaoyong. That's a 3-point shot.
Wala pa, partner. Sabi ko, papasyal pa lang ako sa kanila.
Ay, nasundot ni Johnny Abarreto sa bola. Jun Limpot against Lee Xiaoyong.
Solidly built and he's 286. So, mabigat yan.
Li Nan to Batir.
Nice
Nakita
pass.
niya sumaksak si Go Xiaoyong. Back to Li Nan. Lee Xiaoyong. Nakakadalawa na ito.
Yes.
Isa doon sa kanan. Ngayon, ating PBA Centennial team sa amateur rules. Jun Limpot gets a clear view of the basket. And Jun Limpot against Gong Xiaobin. 6 seconds on the shot clock. The back to the basket. The backcourt. And it is a Kenneth Durandez handoff to Vergel Meneses. Block. But that's a goaltending violation. Inabot dito si Batir. Replay kung ano nangyari. E di kapapasok lang si Zhang Jinsong. Si Xiaoyong. Inabot bigla ang bola kay Li Nan who scored. Samantala si Johnny Abarrientos ay pinalitan ni Jeffrey Cariaso. Si Vergel Meneses naman ay against Wang Zhixi. Dennis Espino binigay kay Jeffrey Cariaso. And a steal by Li Nan against Jeffrey Cariaso. Jean of the Wang Zhixi for the slam. Espino. Actually, yung crowd kanina pa humihiyaw nung makita nila yun. Uy, magandang pasa ni EJ Fal kay Olsen Rosella sa ilalim. Fal is no good.
Yan naman yung long pass, oh. Walang dribble halos.
At easy fast break play para rejected. Jojo Lastimosa. Nice jump shot by Jolas.
You gotta have those pa rin na hindi layup or free throw shot.
Batir.
Ba?
Hindi parang ganun yun. And the Chinese national team ay na naman si Wang Zhixi from the outside.
May kamay talaga yun.
At inagaw na kaagad ni Olsen Rosella. Rosella is a 5-on-2. Jojo Lastimosa nag-isip ng 3-point shot. Sumaksak sa loob. Reverse layup. That's a higher percentage shot. Li Nan.
Good defense.
Samantala, scramble for the loose ball. Wang Zhixi.
Positive. Tignan natin na agaw yun. Kailan mahinto ni Marlo ito.
Wang Zhixi sa ilalim. Marunong ding
gotta get it to Jojo. Put it up.
Single to Jola.
Put it up.
Yes. 3-point shot.
Yes.
With the movements. At ito yung mga numbers na sinasabi mo, Dr. J.
Well, field goal percentage shooting for both squads is not good. Although the Chinese did hit three-point shot.
3-point shot from center court. Gong Xiaobin.
Yes.
Teka, sandali lang. Dennis Espino. What a move by Dennis Espino. Second shot clock. Ito, binigay kay EJ Fal. Medyo mabagal ang reaction. At tinabutan siya ni Wang Zhixi. Dennis Espino trying to keep it alive. Yes! Dennis Espino.
Like
Dennis Espino. Ngayon din si Johnny Abarrientos Vergel Meneses. From the outside.
Yes.
Alam ni Vergel Meneses.
Nagsona na ang Chinese to conserve their fouls, because mga foul trouble na yung mga yan, kaya nagsona na yan.
Johnny Abarrientos against Batir. Marlo Aquino. Back to the basket shot. Pero ngayon po, naibaba na ng Pilipinas. Umaatras si Batir. And a foul will be called on Marlo Aquino. Wala, Vergel Meneses para sa rebound. Tumatakbo ngayon ng PBA Centennial squad. Meneses goes all the way. Magic shot. Marlo Aquino with the offensive rebound. And the back to the basket shot is good by Marlo Aquino.
And siya partner of that kind of play and of that caliber of team.
Nice pass by Alan Kaidik. Vergel Meneses pulls up for the jump shot. Binigay kay Jeffrey Cariaso. That's a handoff to Johnny. He gets a clear look at the basket and he scores it. Medyo maliit itong squad natin. Pero si Andy Seagal medyo nag-iinit na.
Yes, now yung nakakuha na niya yung layup.
Yes, Andy Seagal. Inching closer.
Magaling talaga ito dun sa pwesto na yun.
Yung flag waiver.
Alright. No, never mind.
3.5 minutes remaining.
Yan ang konting trapping ang ginagawa natin. Mahirapan niya sa is na yan kung medyo may trapping tayo.
8-point lead ng China. Narito si Gong Xiaobin.
Patay tayo dyan. Pag binigay natin ng ganyan.
Matindi na yan. Pagkaganyan ang kilos si Gong Xiaobin.
Diyan patay tayo dyan. Pag ganyan. Lamang pa yan sa height at saka power.
16 points by Gong Xiaobin. Medyo kanina, medyo-medyahan lang niya. Ngayon, sabi niya, teka, makahabol na itong mga Pilipino.
But we're playing much better.
Kaya. with a lot more confidence and a lot more heart. Kenneth Duremdes, yes! At nakita ko yung reaction ng mga players sa bench ng China.
In a very big basket.
Oo.
Cut the lead down to 5. Jojo usually can bury that shot, no? At this time of the ball game.
Yes, yan ang kanyang expertise, yung crunch time. Samantala, Lee, biglang pumukol ng 3.
Patay.
Yun ang sinasabi natin. Yan kanina nag-umpisa, si Lee Xiaoyong, yung point guard ng China. At dito medyo dinidiin na. Ito, sa loob naman si Andy
That's
Siegel. Whoops. One more
time.
Yes. And we're in the last 2 minutes of the game, brought to you by Elastosil Pisil. Isang pisil ka lang, tapos kang butas ka. 1 minute and 43 seconds remaining in the game. 9-point lead para sa China. They have possession. Lee Xiaoyong binigay kay Zhang from 3-point
They hit us
country.
with a couple of 3-point shots here. Pinapakita lang sa atin yung shooting nila sa labas.
Yes. Lamang na naman ng 12 ang China. At ito si China Barrientos, pinabayaan na lang, lumusot. 76-66 at tatawag ng timeout si Coach Wang Tay ng People's Republic of
Kenneth Duremdes, I think, will go to the free throw line.
Well, I don't think Coach Tim Cohn will be very disappointed with this performance, judging from what we read in the papers today. Sabi niya, he does not expect
They'll use the clock. Safe lead at this stage as long as they have possession.
Uy.
Binigyan niya si Johnny.
Opo.
Binigyan niya siya ni Johnny.
Medyo mahaba ang sigo nitong si Lee. Sun Jun inside, left-handed layup is good.
Sun Jun is a clean player. We know him in the past.
Yeah.
Kaya pinabayaan na siya nila.
Johnny Barrientos, Jojo Lastimosa gets a clear shot. And it trickles in. Tapos na po itong exhibition game na ito. The Chinese will hold on to it. And